Here are some tips to help you speed up your crochet work. 1. Choose the right yarn and hook. Use a larger hook. Larger hooks produce bigger stitches, so you complete projects faster. Just make sure the yarn and hook size are compatible. Smooth yarns. Choose yarns that glide easily on the hook, like acrylic or cotton, as textured or fuzzy yarns can slow you down. 2. Maintain good posture. Sit comfortably. Ensure you're seated in a way that supports your arms and wrists without strain. Poor posture can lead to fatigue, slowing you down. Hold your hook and yarn loosely. A tight grip can tire your hands and reduce speed. Keep your movements relaxed. 3. Practice consistency. Focus on uniform motion. Practice maintaining an even rhythm with your stitches. The more consistent your hand movements, the faster you'll become over time. Use familiar stitches. If speed is a priority, stick to stitches you know well and can execute without hesitation. 4. Minimize distractions. Create a dedicated workspace. Set up a space where you can focus solely on crocheting without frequent interruptions. Listen to background audio. Podcasts or audiobooks can keep your mind engaged while your hands work without needing to glance up. 5. Work in bulk. Crochet multiple pieces in batches. If you're making several of the same item, working in stages, e.g., making all the squares first, can make the process faster. Finish one step at a time. For projects like granny squares or amigurumi, complete one type of step across multiple items before moving on to the next. 6. Use time-saving techniques. Master shortcuts. For instance, try techniques like the chainless starting stitch to save time at the start of rows. Avoid unnecessary frogging. Be confident in your counting and double-check patterns beforehand to minimize the need to undo work. 7. Develop muscle memory. Practice regularly. The more you practice, the more your muscles will adapt to the repetitive movements, allowing you to crochet faster naturally. Warm up your hands. Gentle stretching exercises before crocheting can help reduce stiffness and increase your speed. 8. Optimize yarn flow. Use a yarn bowl or dispenser. This helps prevent the yarn from tangling or snagging, which can interrupt your flow. Wind your yarn properly. Ensure your yarn is wound into a ball or cake that feeds out smoothly. 9. Learn speed techniques. Try the yarn under technique. Some crocheters find that using yarn under instead of yarn over for certain stitches can increase speed. Hold the yarn differently. Experiment with different ways of holding the yarn, e.g., over your finger versus around your hand, to see which feels faster for you. 10. Stay hydrated and take breaks. Avoid fatigue. Take short, regular breaks to rest your hands and stretch. This will prevent cramping and keep you crocheting at your top speed longer. Stay hydrated. Drinking water helps maintain overall energy levels and hand flexibility. Try these strategies to increase your crochet speed while maintaining the quality of your work. Thank you for watching.